Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change chat wallpaper in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it opens up in the chats menu, but from here we can either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Here we tap on settings, and in the settings menu we find chat settings. We tap on this, and here we can tap on change chat wallpaper and either select from a predefined group that the Telegram app has for basic chat wallpapers, or we can either set a color or color scheme or like a gradient, as you can see here, or we can just select from our gallery. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.